Today, the court has given Nnamdi Kanu a final chance to present his defense in the ongoing terrorism trial, a decision that could determine not only his fate, but possibly the future of Nigeria's justice system itself. Stay with me, because what happened inside that courtroom today is nothing short of explosive. Inside the courtroom, tensions were high, the air was thick with anticipation. Lawyers, journalists, and security operatives packed the hall, all waiting for one man, Nnamdi Kanu. The Federal High Court in Abuja has now declared that the IPOB leader will have one last opportunity to present his side of the story before the case moved forward to its final verdict. According to the presiding judge, justice must be seen to be done, but it must also be done within the boundaries of the law. This final chance, as the court put it, is not just a procedural formality, it's a line of the sand. If Kanu's defense team fails to act now, the court could proceed without his testimony, potentially sealing the case once and for all. For years, Kanu's trial has been at the center of national debate, a storm of politics, identities, and justice. His supporters insist he is a freedom fighter, unjustly persecuted for demanding self-determination for the Igbo people. But the government maintains he is a threat to national security, accusing him of orchestrating violence under the guise of activism. Now, with the court latest pronouncements, the stakes couldn't be higher. To some, this final chance sounds like fairness. To others, it feels like the last nail in the coffin of a man who has spent years behind bars, mostly in solitary confinement, away from the world and his followers. But make no mistake, this moment could define how Nigerian judiciary will remember in the years to come. Will the system uphold justice, or will it bow to political pressure? Across parts of the Southeast, the news has sparked fresh conversation, whispers of protest, renewed calls for his release, and questions about whether this trial is truly about terrorism or truth itself. The next court sitting will be critical. Kanu's lawyers are expected to mount a strong defense or risk losing the very opportunity that could rewrite his destiny. And as the world watches, Nigeria once again stand at the crossroads of justice and politics. One thing is certain: whatever happens next will shake the nation. This is not just about one man in the dock, it's about what Nigeria chooses to become: a nation of justice or a nation of judgment. This is Negro Voice, and you watching The Breaking Point. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over. Watch this video carefully and discover the tricks court want to use to nail Nnamdi Kanu, as exposed by the legislature in charge of his constitution.
My name is Right Honorable Obi Agocha. I represent the great people of Ikuano, Umuahia North and Umuahia South Federal Constituency of Abia State. I represent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. From what I saw today in court, there seems to be a systemic effort being put in place to steamroll and railroad Mazi Nnamdi Kanu into putting up a defense and leading to conviction. There are procedural issues that must be heard before the matter can go forward. And I think that is the motion that must be heard, hopefully by tomorrow. Nnamdi Kanu still remains a prisoner of conscience. He's been detained unlawfully. And we are also using this medium to continually call on Mr. President to invoke Section 174 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended for the Attorney General to enter another prosecute, at least before the determination of the court. We are very optimistic that Mr. President, that we know is a listening and attentive president, and that he will do the right thing in the shortest possible time. Thank you.